Everything you know about space is wrong. We often think of the cosmos as a silent, static backdrop to our lives. But in reality, it is a violent, ever-changing, and mind-bendingly strange frontier. Today, we are going to dive deep into 10 facts that challenge your perception of reality. Welcome to a journey across the light years. Facts 1. Scale of the universe. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. To understand this, imagine holding a single grain of sand. That represents our entire solar system. Now imagine walking across the Sahara Desert or the coastlines of every ocean. Astronomers estimate there are 10 to the power of 24 stars in the observable universe. That is a 1 followed by 24 zeros. We are living in a cosmic ocean so vast that our minds aren't even evolved to comprehend its scale. Facts 2. Time on Venus. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. This sounds impossible, but it's a matter of orbital mechanics. Venus takes about 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. However, it rotates on its axis so slowly that one single rotation takes 243 Earth days. Even stranger, Venus rotates in the opposite direction of most planets. If you could stand on its surface, the Sun would rise in the west and set in the east. But you'd have to wait months to see it happen. Facts 3. Black hole sound. Space is a vacuum, so sound waves shouldn't travel there. But NASA found a way. By using a process called sonification, they took data from the hot gas surrounding a black hole in the Perseus cluster and turned it into sound. What we hear isn't a melody, it's a low, guttural moan, the actual acoustic pressure wave sent out by the black hole. It sounds like the universe itself is breathing, or perhaps screaming in the dark. Facts 4. Space is not empty. We call it space because we think it's empty. But true emptiness is a myth. Every cubic centimeter of space is filled with magnetic fields, cosmic rays, and dark matter that we cannot see. There are also virtual particles that pop in and out of existence. Even the most empty parts of the intergalactic void are bathed in the cosmic microwave background, the fading afterglow of the Big Bang itself. Facts 5. Diamond planets. Imagine a planet twice the size of Earth, made largely of diamond. This isn't science fiction. Scientists discovered 55 Cancri E, a rocky planet orbiting a nearby star. Because the planet is rich in carbon and under immense pressure and heat, its interior is likely composed of thick layers of diamond and graphite. A world where the ground beneath your feet could be a giant gemstone, worth more than all the wealth on Earth combined. Fact 6. Human body in space. In space, the human body changes. Without the constant crush of Earth's gravity, your spine expands. Astronauts on the International Space Station can grow up to 3% taller, about 5 centimeters during their stay. But this growth spurt comes with a price. When they return to Earth, gravity hits them like a hammer, and their bodies must painfully readjust to the weight of their own bones. Fact 7. Absolute cold. The deepest parts of space are cold, but not as cold as the Boomerang Nebula. It is the coldest natural place in the known universe, with a temperature of -272 degrees Celsius. That is only 1 degree above absolute zero, the point where all atomic motion stops. This nebula is cooling itself down by expanding its gas so rapidly that it acts like a cosmic refrigerator, outperforming the natural chill of the deep void. Facts 8. Neutron star. Neutron stars are the ghosts of massive suns that have collapsed. They are so dense that a single teaspoon of their material would weigh about 6 billion tons, roughly the weight of Mount Everest. If you dropped that teaspoon on Earth, it would fall straight through the crust, through the mantle, and out the other side. This is matter crushed so tightly that atoms themselves are broken. Facts 9. Time dilation. Black holes don't just eat matter, they consume time. According to Einstein's general relativity, gravity warps the fabric of space-time. The stronger the gravity, the slower time moves. If you spent an hour near the event horizon of a supermassive black hole, years or even decades could pass for your family back on Earth. To you, it felt like 60 minutes. To the rest of the universe, you've traveled into the distant future. Facts 10. Ancient light. When you look at the stars, you are literally looking into the past. Light takes time to travel. The light from the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, takes over 4 years to reach us. Some stars we see are so far away that their light began its journey before the pyramids were built, or even before the first dinosaurs walked the Earth. Many of those stars are already dead, but their ghost light is still traveling toward us. We don't see the universe as it is. We see it as it was.